Here in Hawkins, we all know Eggos are Elle's kryptonite.
Waffles, please.
And this version cranks her obsession up to 11.
Please tell me this is another poor joke.
This Halloween, it's time to flip some waffles upside down.
See you on the other side.
Welcome to Bite Club. Let's cook.
Good, right? I don't know, you know the great thing about it? It's only 8,000 calories.
Melt 100 grams of unsalted butter on a medium-low heat.
Flambe.
As soon as the butter is melted, get it off the heat and leave it aside to cool down a little.
It's starting to seem like this was just a big waste of time.
Grab a large bowl and we need 200 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt.
Well, where are we gonna get that much salt?
Mix everything together and stick it aside. For the wet ingredients, we need 300 millilitres of buttermilk, along with 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the cooled melted butter from earlier. Give it a whisk until combined and then slowly pour into your dry ingredients. Make a little bed with a tea towel to stop the bowl from flying all over the place.
Wow, that's clever.
Keep whisking as you pour so that you don't end up with big old lumps in the batter.
Ew, gross.
As soon as it comes together, stop mixing. If you overmix the batter, the waffles will end up dense and tough.
It's been a tough year for Hawkins.
Now you're going to need a waffle iron, otherwise we're just making pancakes.
Waffles, please.
Get it heated up and slap some grease on it. A spray bottle of neutral oil is easiest, but for a better flavour, hit it with some melted butter.
Because it's delicious.
Then the batter goes in.
Oh, wow.
About 1/4 cup is the perfect amount for the machine that I'm using. Keep an eye on things as different machines vary, but with this guide it takes about 5 minutes to cook through.
It's 1 minute too long.
This machine does what it says on the tin, but if you want thick, beautiful waffles, then you're going to have to splash the cash.
You don't have to do this.
As ever, pop along to biteclub.tv for equipment links.
And we're in.
Holy heck. Oh, holy heck.
To serve these babies up, we need whipped cream and more sugar than an Oompa Loompa can eat in a month.
I can do it.
No, it looks like Hopper tops the waffles with Hershey's Kisses, jelly beans, and Reese's Pieces. So we're going to use Hershey's Kisses, jelly beans, and Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, no shit.
Eleven's love of Eggos is a nod to E.T.'s love of Reese's Pieces, so having them piled on here is like a full circle homage to the homage.
Cool.
Perfectly balanced breakfast for growing superheroes.
This is crazy!
Forget flowers when you've got grovelling to do. Just knock up a Triple Decker Eggo Extravaganza and turn anyone's frown
Upside down.
If you enjoyed this video, leave us a waffle emoji down below and help us to make more videos by liking and subscribing.
I want you to watch.
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video over on biteclub.tv.
That's amazing.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.